Can you set a favorite location on Lyft? Well, the answer is yes, and here's how to do so. First you want to simply open the Lyft application, and inside the Lyft app, what you're going to do is you'll be able to see your home or workplace app. You'd be able to see your home or work and inside, as you can see, I have my home and work as my saved places over here. And once you tap on this saved places option, you'd be redirected to the saved places feature over here on your account. You'd be able to access it from your account settings over here as well. And once you're inside the saved place option, you want to simply tap on this plus icon over here, and by doing so you'd be able to add your favorite locations over here. And once you tap on save, you'd be able to save a favorite location or as your saved places over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.